Alright folks, so first off, you take your wires here, you put black to black, white to white, and your two greens together. We're going to check it without the head on. This is my favorite part. We've got this piston in here, and hopefully you guys can see that now. This camera's shooting 30 frames per second. In real time, you guys won't be able to see the piston like I do. You're going to see it going slow motion. But I'll show you. I'll let it tap my ring there. And, you'll hear it. Pretty kick-ass. There goes. Slow motion. First of all, it's running this fast, but it doesn't look like it to you. And that is slow. A lot of airflow. Take a piece of plastic here. She's hauling ass. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Going up and down, baby. Nice and flat. And that's it. We'll keep you informed about the build here.